beligcwele phama ithende ebelisesakhiweni sikahulumeni e-Union Buildings ePitoli kugujwa usuku lwabesifazane. Ngalolu suku eminyakeni ngama-67 edlule abesifazane kuleli bamashela uhulumeni obandlululo kulesakhiwo befuna kuphele ngomthetho wamapasi.
All the women of South Africa, whether they are black, white, Indian or colored, do have rights that we can celebrate today.
Umengameli uphinde wasenisa lolu suku olugujwa iminyaka yonke ukuhlaba isihlava sodlame oluyemene nobulili esikhahlameza kakhulu abesifazane nezingane.
Women do not feel safe in their homes. They do not feel safe in the streets of our country, and they do not feel safe wherever they walk. And we therefore want to make sure that we bring gender-based violence to an end.
U-Ramaphosa uphinde wathinta neungalingani kwemiholo kwezemidlalo ikakhulu phakathi kwebanyana nebafana bafana.
Bafana Bafana must come and take lessons from Banyana. So we are very proud, and that is why I said what this means. If you look at this equation and you balance it and you calculate it, the women of our country in sport must get paid more than the men.
Umengameli ubesehlaba udlame nokucekelwa phansi kwempahla okwenzeke eKapa ngenxa yesiteleka samatekisi. Njengoba lo mcimbi ubuhlelo ukubanjwa ekhaya elitsha khona eKapa, kodwa kwangenzeka ngenxa yokuqubwa kodlame.